ready to experience the ultimate motorcycle rally in Florida. From sport bikes to choppers, adventure bikes to three-wheelers, this video has it all. Join Sky Champion from PowaMoto as he takes you on a thrilling journey through the Daytona Beach, DeLand, motorcycle rallies, and beyond. With an engaging mix of bikes, people, and events, this video is a must-see for any motorcycle enthusiast. So sit back, rev your engine, and get ready for a ride of a lifetime on
PowaMoto.
Motorcycle riding, stunts like you've never seen before, beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rah.
PowaMoto.
Hello there, fellow riders. Welcome to PowaMoto, your go-to channel for all things motorcycle related. Today we're taking you on a journey to DeLand, a town located just a few miles from Daytona Beach. Why did we make the trip all the way from Daytona? Well, we're here, guys, to bring you the best information on the motorcycle community in DeLand and to show you why this place is a must-visit destination for any rider. Hey guys, it's me, Sky Champion. I'm a motorcycle enthusiast. I've been living in South Florida for over 20 years. I'm excited to bring you to DeLand and show you around this amazing town and tell you about the motorcycle community here. DeLand has a rich history that is closely intertwined with the development of the motorcycle culture in the United States. In the 50s, the town became home to a group of motorcycle enthusiasts who formed a club called the Road Rats. The Road Rats were known for their love of motorcycles and their wild parties, which often featured live music and plenty of beer. Today, DeLand is still home to a vibrant motorcycle community, with many riders using the city as a base for exploring the scenic roads of Central Florida. One of the best places to experience this community is one of the local biker bars, like the one behind me. Check out City Limits and the sexy Snake Lady. Oh my God! In this video, we showcase various types of bikes, from touring bikes like the Hayabusa, ZX14s, Kawasaki Ninjas, to sport bikes like the ZX10R, ZX6R, Yamaha, and Honda sport bikes. The event also featured Suzuki bikes and some amazing stunt bikers from Daytona, including Nasty Nate.
Nate's doing it.
Oh my God! So at the DeLand Motorcycle Rally, all the bikes came out. The DeLand Motorcycle Rally is always filled with exciting moments, and this year is no exception. As I walked around the event, we came across the restaurant scene. At City Limits, we saw this beautiful biker babe with a snake wrapped around her body. Check her out. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous with locks of reggae-style hair in coils. She looks like Medusa, and the snake is just as scary, but she's also breathtakingly beautiful. Her body is like that of a snake with curves that can make any man go weak in the knees. It's no wonder that someone should marry her immediately. As we watch her, we can't help but be mesmerized by her beauty as the way she moves with the snake. DeLand is located in Volusia County, Florida. It has a rich history dating back to the 1870s. Let me take you on this journey so we can learn more about this great city. It was founded by Harry DeLand. As a citrus and farming town, over the years, the town has become known for its beautiful architecture, quaint downtown area, and vibrant arts community. DeLand has also played an important role in the development of motorcycle culture in the United States, with a group of motorcycle enthusiasts forming the Road Rats Motorcycle Club in the 1950s. Today, DeLand is a popular destination for riders who come to explore the scenic roads of Central Florida and experience the town's rich history and culture. Oh my God! As we watch these adrenaline junkies tear up the pavement, it's not hard to be impressed by the sheer determination and passion that they poured into their motorcycles. Nasty Nate and his fellow stunt riders have invested countless hours, not to mention a small fortune, into building these tricked-out sport bikes. Check these motorcycles out. First, we'll take a look at the Yamaha R7 and the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R motorcycles. They're set up for stunting. They're not your average bikes, that's for sure, with custom cages and crash bars, special clutch and brake levers, and even special designed seats and suspensions. These bikes are built to withstand the extreme punishment that stunt riders dish out. Check these guys out. They got skills, man. And boy, do they dish it out. As we speak, these riders are pushing their bikes to the limit. It's a truly heart-stopping sight to behold. But it's not just about the thrill of the ride. These stunt riders are serious athletes, honing their skills and pushing their bodies to the limit in pursuit of their passion. It takes incredible strength, agility, and fearlessness to perform the kind of stunts that we're seeing here today, guys. Comment down below if you enjoy watching these stunt videos and Daytona, Volusia County Bike Week videos. Stay tuned. So let's give it up for Nasty Nate and his fellow riders who have poured their hearts and souls into these bikes and are putting on a show we'll never forget. It's a true testament to the power and passion of the thrill of the ride.
PowaMoto! Alright! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh man, it's got skills! It is. It's a gimbal. It's on PowaMoto. Subscribe today, sir. You can see all my artwork and my video camera work at 200 miles an hour. Stop talking shit. We ride bikes 24/7.
I watch porn.
Appreciate you. You watch porn?
Thank you. Yeah.
Stay tuned for next year's event on PowaMoto on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like this event's video, check out some of these other events videos. And thanks for subscribing.